Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you have all amazing day. My name is Thomas, and here in Zillionaires Club channel, we are talking mainly about commodities. Some of you were asking how the typical swing trade looks like for commodities. So today is Thursday. I am decided to show you step by step what I actually do each day. How long does it take? You'll see it's not difficult. People are lazy typically. I belongs between them as well, so I don't want my trading to take so much time. You will see every step is just a few minutes a day, and it can bring you quite substantial money if you do it in properly. So let's look step by step. What is the commodity trading about? Step number one is proper analysis. As a proper analysis, typically I'm looking at weekly charts of the commodity. I'm studying some indicators like a COT report and stochastic and few others. And as well, I'm looking at weekly chart and I'm looking at daily chart to see the patterns. As well, for the analysis, I'm looking at spread charts. This is another platform I'm using beside TradingView, and here I'm mainly looking at the indicators of price, term structure, contango histogram, and COT. So every Saturday I spend roughly 30 to 60 minutes looking through all the commodities I'm watching. There is roughly 20 of them in my interest, and out of them, after the proper analysis, I will make a short list. So second step on my list of activities for a swing trade of commodity is to create a short list. You can see here my example of that. And this is the short list I'm watching pretty much every day. And every day, this is number 3 steps in my list. I spend roughly 5 minutes to look at in the evening what is the current price of each of these shortlisted commodities. I'm not looking the others, I'm looking just the shortlisted commodities. So here you can see I have those yellow marked. This is the ones which I'm particularly interested in this week. If any of them reaching the level I am interested in, then I'm going to the next step in my list, and this is the make a trade. So I open the platform of interactive brokers. This is, you can see here, and I set the trade, means I first pick the commodity, I pick the option, because 99% of my trades of commodities are executed using the options. So you can see here I'm picking the commodity and I'm picking the right expiration date, which is typically 60 to 90 days from now. And I pick the strike price which I want to trade, which is typically above, if it's call option, above the current price, or below the price if it's put option. Then the next steps, I make the trade itself. So it means I set up in the platform of interactive brokers the execution for the price I'm interested, and that's it. The trade is executed. And then the next steps is obviously just watching every day, again 5 minutes maximum, all my open trades, and as well those still shortlisted, not executed commodities. And in case any of them is reaching the price again, or any of them reaching the level I want for exiting of the trade, takes again just 5 minutes. It's very easy. And then the next step is obviously the most interesting one, and this is the one where I enjoy the money from the trade. I hope this video was interesting for you. I think the commodity trading is very simple. You really will spend just few minutes a day to watching your trade, and just maybe few tens of minutes during the weekend to prepare your short list. So it's nothing like staring to the monitor every day, whole day. And the money you can make from commodity tradings, I think, are quite interesting. So if you want to follow, definitely watch my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next Monday on next video. Thank you and bye.